Click on the link below to get price. The 130-liter 275 Pint Commercial Grade Dehumidifier is a robust solution for tackling excessive moisture in large spaces. Designed for commercial use, this unit effectively removes up to 275 pints of water per day, making it ideal for warehouses, basements, and construction sites. Its powerful 1700W motor ensures efficient operation, even in environments with high humidity levels. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its continuous drainage capability. This means you don't have to constantly empty the water tank, which can be a hassle, especially in larger areas. The unit comes with a drainage hose that can be easily connected to a nearby drain, allowing for uninterrupted operation. This feature is particularly beneficial for businesses that require prolonged use without manual intervention. The design of the dehumidifier is both practical and efficient. It's equipped with a large, easy-to-read control panel that provides clear indicators of humidity levels and settings. Users can adjust the humidity level according to specific needs, and the built-in humidistat automatically shuts off the machine when the desired level is reached, conserving energy. In terms of portability, this unit features durable wheels and a handle, making it easy to move from one location to another. Despite its substantial size, the wheels glide smoothly, allowing for effortless transportation across various surfaces. While the dehumidifier excels in performance, it does generate noticeable noise due to its powerful motor. This may be a consideration for those using it in quieter environments, such as offices or residential spaces. However, the performance trade-off is often worth it for the efficiency it provides. Overall, the 130-liter 275 Pint Commercial Grade Dehumidifier stands out as a reliable, high-capacity solution for moisture management. Its combination of high-performance features, continuous drainage option, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any commercial setting where controlling humidity is essential.